In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can format your values into different currencies here in Google Sheets. So when you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to format some of your values into currencies. Now, the basic currency that is applied in Google Sheets would be the $ or the US dollar currency. So if you wanted to apply currency to this range right here, which is our unit price in this example data, what you're going to do is to just select that range, then go to Format here in the menu bar, select number, then select currency. Click on that, and there you have it. A faster way to do that would be, again, select the range, then go to your toolbar and select this tool that will say Format as Currency. Click on it, and it will apply the same $ to your values. But what if you wanted to use a different currency? So let me just quickly undo that. There we go. So again, we have unit price and total sales where we're going to be applying our currencies. If I wanted to say use Danish krone for this range right here, I'm just going to select it first, then go to Format here in the menu bar, go back to that, go to Number, and select Custom Currency. So your custom currency is already here at the bottom, just above your custom date and time and your custom number format. So make sure to scroll all the way down so you can see these options. So if I click on Custom Currency, here we will see all of the different currencies that we can apply to our values. And right at the top, because I've already used this, I can just select it right here. But if you're looking for something else, these currencies are alphabetically organized. So if that is going to be in the letter D for Danish krone, just scroll all the way down until you see it. And once you do, you'll be able to click on it and apply it to your values. But since I've already selected it, it will be rearranged to the top where I can easily select it. Click on it, then click on Apply right here at the top right corner, this green button right here, and there you have it. We've successfully formatted this range right here of values into the Danish krone. What if we wanted to do a different currency on this range? We can definitely do that. Just go back to your format. Select number again, then go to Custom Currency. Here we have, again, the Danish krone, which is the latest one that we've used, so that we can easily reselect it when we do have other values to format in the same currency. But the next one would be euro. So I also used this a while ago and I want to use it again, so I can easily select that. If you wanted to do British pound sterling, you can also do that. Again, any other currency that you want to use, you can easily find it right here. So I'm going to go back to euros at the top, just click on it, then click on Apply. And there you have it. We were able to successfully format our values into different currencies. We have the Danish krone and the euros using our custom currency here in Google Sheets. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick video. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.